So I have this BMW 3 Series here that got into a car accident, and there is no power coming to the front of the engine, so the starter has no power. No voltage getting to it. Let's connect this back here, and as you can see, let's put it on this one. Easily turns right on. So what we need to replace is this terminal right here. As you can see, there's a clip right here. This tends to go off when the car gets in an accident. So let's go ahead and swap it out. You hear that? All right, you can see the airbag is off, airbag is off. This is the sensor that tends to go bad right after a wreck in order for the vehicle to not catch fire or cause any engine damage, which in this event, as you can see, the engine is 100% intact, and a lot of suspension components, like actually look. See, the connector is right there. So this is the old one right here. Okay, well, terminal right here. Now with that new positive terminal installed, do we have power to the front of the engine bay? Let's find out. There we go, we have power. All right, moment of truth. Oh yeah, the vehicle started.